What happens in your kitchen if the dishwasher suddenly stops during peak dinner rush? In a high-volume commercial kitchen, even a few minutes of downtime can delay service, overwhelm staff, and impact customer satisfaction. That is why, in 2026, smart pump technology is becoming essential for commercial dishwashers. These systems do far more than just circulate water. They actively monitor, adjust, and protect your equipment to keep operations running smoothly. Smart pumps automatically adapt water pressure and cycle intensity based on dish type and soil level, ensuring greasy pans, sauce-covered plates, and delicate glassware all come out spotless without extra wash cycles. They track motor strain and micro vibrations to predict wear before a breakdown happens, allowing you to schedule preventive maintenance instead of facing emergency repairs. Real-time sensors monitor water clarity to prevent soil from redepositing, while suds detection helps avoid overflow caused by excess detergent. These intelligent systems can also detect clogged filters, blocked spray arms, faulty door seals, improper loading, drain issues, and even excessive water pressure. They alert your team before small problems escalate into costly downtime. By integrating with kitchen workflow software, smart dishwashers optimize cycles around busy service hours, improving efficiency and hygiene. The result is fewer interruptions, lower energy and water usage, extended equipment life, and consistently clean, germ-free dishes. With smart pump technology, your kitchen stays efficient, your staff stays focused, and your service never skips a beat. For trusted commercial kitchen equipment parts, visit Parts FE in the USA, UK, and Canada. And be sure to check out our blog, How Smart Pump Technology Reduces Downtime in Commercial Dishwashers in 2026, on Parts FE. Follow us on social media for expert appliance repair tips. Thanks for watching.